Good morning everyone. Today we will start with exercise 9.2 rational number. See the first question, find the sum. We have to solve it. Find the sum. Now here two signs are there. One is plus, another is negative. Remember one thing, whenever this type of question is there, two sign is there, and outside the bracket if there is a positive sign, no need to change the sign inside the bracket. If outside the bracket there is a negative sign, then inside the bracket the sign will be changed. What is this? That is the additive inverse. If outside the bracket negative sign is there, it means we have to write the additive inverse of inside the bracket, and if it is positive, no need to take the additive inverse, just write down the same value which is in bracket. So 5 upon 4, we will write 5 upon 4, then plus minus is minus, minus 11 upon 4. Why I write minus? Because outside the bracket positive sign, no need to change the sign inside the bracket. Now 4, 4, both are same, so no need to take LCM because 4 and 4 LCM is 4. So 5 minus 11 as per 5 minus 11, that is minus 6 upon 4. Plus minus is always minus, but the sign is of the biggest term. Now from 5 and 11 is bigger, that is negative sign, so I put the negative sign. Now I will cancel it on the table of 2, that is minus 3 upon 2 is our answer. That is our first part. Now second part, 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Now 3 and 5 denominator are not same. In the previous one denominator were same. Now if denominator are not same, we will take the LCM of 3 and 5, that you will do in a rough work. LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. Now 5 upon 3. 3 and 5, LCM is 15, you will write here 15. Next step, see it very carefully. Now LCM is 15. Next step is LCM divide with the denominator. It means 15 you will divide with 3, you will get 5. First step, LCM divide with denominator. Whatever answer will come, you will multiply it with the numerator. So 15 divide with 3, we will get 5. 5 multiply with 5. Now plus sign, we will put addition, that is plus. Again 15 divide with 5, that is 3. 3 multiply with 3. If you will see carefully, it is a butterfly method that we have done in the chapter of fraction. 5 multiply with 5, 3 multiply with 3. So 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 9 upon 15. 25 plus 9, that is 34 upon 15. It is already in the lowest term, no need to cancel. It is not cancellation. So answer is 34 upon 15. Third part, minus 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 15. Again we will take LCM of 10 and 15. I am showing you LCM 10 and 15 on the table of 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 into 3, 30. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. LCM is 30. So minus 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 15. LCM 30. 30 divided with 10, we will get 3. 3 multiply with minus 9. Now plus, put plus. 30 divided with 15, we will get 2. 2 multiply with 22. So minus 9 into 3, minus 27. 22 into 2, 44 upon 30. Now subtract 8. 17 upon 30, and 44 is the biggest term, so I put positive sign, no need to put, that is positive sign. 17 upon 30, that is third part. Now next part, fourth. Minus 3 minus 11. Minus will be cancelled out. Plus, now take LCM of 11 and 9, that is 99. LCM 99. 99 divided with 11, we will get 9. Multiply with 3. 3 into 9 plus 99 divided with 9, we will get 11. 5 multiply with 11. 27 plus 55 upon 99. Add it. 82 upon 99. Minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57. Plus, no need to change the sign. LCM of 19 and 57 is 57. So LCM is 57. Now 57 divide with 19. You will get 3. Then multiply with 8. Plus minus minus. Now 57 divide with 57. 1. 1 will multiply with minus 2. That is minus 2. Minus 24 minus 2 upon 57. Minus minus plus but sign negative. Minus 26 upon 57. Sixth part minus 2 upon 3 plus 0. Plus 0 means in denominator there is nothing. It means 1. Now 0. If you will add anything in 0, you will get the same number. You can write directly also minus 2 upon 3, or you can do one more thing by taking the LCM. Another way, 3, then minus 2 plus 0, again you will get minus 2 upon 3. You can write direct. Now 7th part. Seventh part is minus 2 1 upon 3 plus 4 3 upon 5. First it is in mixed fraction form. We will change into simplest form. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 minus 7 upon 3. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 23 upon 5. LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. Now 15 divided with 3, that is 5. 5 multiply with minus 7. 15 divided with 5, you will get 3. 23 multiply with 3. Now we will solve it. Minus 35. Now plus minus minus, sign is of bigger term. 34 upon 15. That is our answer. It was question number first. Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2. We have to find first part 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Again, now denominator are not same. So we will take the LCM of 24 and 36. 24 and 36. On the table of 3 I will take. Now on the table of 2, then again on the table of 2, then on the table of 3. Now I will multiply it. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, then 12 2s are 24 into 3, that is 72. So LCM is 72. So I will write LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. Now 72 will divide with 24. I will get 3. 3 multiply with 7. Minus sign here. 72 divided with 36. I will get 2. 2 multiply with 17. So 21 minus. Now subtract it. Now 34 and 21. Subtract it, plus minus minus, sign is of bigger term. Bigger term is this one, so I put the negative sign. Now subtract it. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So minus 13 upon 72. Now next part, second part is second part 63 and 21. Now here is the negative sign and inside bracket here is also negative. That negative sign indicates we have to take additive inverse of minus 6 upon 21. Now minus 6 upon 21, additive inverse. In additive inverse we will change the sign. Now 6 upon 21, it will become 6 upon 21, or you can do one more thing. If outside the bracket there is a negative sign, then inside the bracket the sign will be changed. Now 63 and 21, 5 upon 63, minus minus plus, 6 upon 21. Take LCM of 63 and 21. You will get 63. 63 divided with 63, 1. 1 multiply 5 is 5. Plus 63 divided with 21, you will get 3. 3 multiply with 6. So we will get 5 plus 18 upon 63. Add them. You will get 23 upon 63. Now third part. Minus 6 upon 13 minus minus. Minus minus plus. Minus 6 upon 13 minus minus plus 7 upon 15. Now take LCM of 13 and 15. You will get 195. When I will take the LCM, I will get 195. You can do in a rough work. Now 195 divide with 30, you will get 15. 15 multiply with minus 6. Minus 6 multiply with 15 plus again 195 divide with 15, you will get 13. 13 multiply with 7. Then minus 6 into 15, that is minus 90. 7 into 13, that is 91 upon 195. Plus minus minus, sign is of bigger term, so answer is 1 upon 195. Next fourth part. Now take LCM of 8 and 11, that is 88. Now 88 divided with 8, you will get 11. 11 into minus 3. Now 88 divided with 11, you will get 8. 8 multiply with 7. Minus 33 minus 56 upon 88. Now minus minus plus, but sign is of negative. Now next part. Now it is in mixed fraction. We will change into fraction. 9 into 2, 18 plus 1, 19. 19 upon 9 with negative sign, and here denominator is nothing. It means you will write 1. Now LCM of 1 and 9, that is 9. 9 divided with 9, you will get 1. 1 multiply with minus 19, that is minus 19. Now 9 divided with 1, you will get 9. 9 multiply 6. Now minus minus plus, but we will write the sign of negative because minus minus plus sign is always negative. 9 plus 4, 13. 1, 6, 7 minus 73 upon 9. So it was question number 2. Now we will do question number 3. Third question. Now in this question we have to find the product. We have to multiply. Now remember one thing. Whenever we multiply a rational number, we will never take LCM. LCM we will take only in the case of addition and subtraction. When there is a case of multiplication and division, we will not take LCM. Don't do that mistake. Now in this question, numerator will always multiply with numerator and denominator will multiply always with denominator. It means 9 can multiply with minus 7 and 2 can multiply with 4. But numerator and denominator, they can be cancelled if it is possible. Now see, now 9, 2, 7, 4. They cannot be cancelled, so no need to do. 9 into minus 7, 9 into minus 7, numerator will multiply with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now 9 into minus 7, that is minus 63, then 8. So it was our answer of first part. Now second part, now minus 9, nothing in denominator, you will write 1. Now 3 multiply with minus 9 and 10 multiply with 1. Will become minus 27 upon 10. That is our answer. Minus 6 upon 5, 9 upon 11. Minus 6 multiply with 9, 5 into 11. That is minus 54 upon 55 answer. Next, 3 into minus 2. Numerator multiply with numerator. Denominator multiply with denominator. Minus 6 upon 35 is answer. It cannot be cancelled out. 3 into 2, 11 into 5, 3 into 2, 11 into 5, that is 6 upon 55. Next, now see 6 part carefully. There are two methods to solve this question. First, the similar we have done, that is 3 multiply with minus 5, that is minus 15. Minus 5 multiply with 3, minus 15. Minus minus cancel, 15, 15 cancel, answer is 1. This one is the method. Another cancellation. I told you earlier also, numerator and denominator can be cancelled. So 3 will be cancelled with 3, minus cancel, 5 cancel, answer is 1. So both methods are right, you can do with any method. Now we will do question number 4. Question number 4, find the value. Now here is a division. We have to divide. Now before starting divide, we will convert into multiplication. How we will do? First, in denominator there is a nothing, it means 1, we will write 1. Now divide. After the division, whatever the rational number is, we will do the reciprocal. So minus 4, when we do the reciprocal, it means we will change the sign. Division will change into multiplication. First step, division will change into multiplication by taking the reciprocal only the next to the division, not the first one. Now minus 4 into 3. Now the same that we have done the product. Numerator will multiply numerator and denominator with denominator. Minus 12 upon 2. Now you can do cancellation here also. So answer is minus 6. So you can do both method. You can do cancellation here also. If you forget to do, then you can do at the end. Now minus 3 upon 5. Now nothing in denominator. You will write 1. Minus 3 upon 5. Write multiply 1 upon 2. Minus 3 multiply with 1, 5 into 2, 10, answer. Minus 4 upon 5, nothing in denominator, you will write 1. Minus 4 upon 5, multiply 1 upon minus 3. Minus 4, then 5 into minus 3, minus 15, minus cancel, 4 upon 15 is the answer. Minus 1 upon 8, multiply 4 upon 3. So you can cancel here also, 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Minus 1 upon 6. Minus 1 upon 6. Next, minus 2 upon 13. Multiply 7 upon 1. Minus 14 upon 13 is the answer. Minus 7 upon 12. Multiply 13 upon minus 2. Now 13 upon minus 2. Minus cancel I. 7 into 13, 91, 12 into 2, 24, answer. Next, 7th part. 7th part, 3 upon 13, divide with minus 4 upon 65. Now take reciprocal, 65 upon minus 4. Now cancel, 13 ones are, 13 fives are, 3 into 5, 15, 15 upon minus 4, you can write negative sign in numerator. So answer is minus 15 upon 4. Today we will do till exercise 9.2. Here we have finished the chapter. Now take care, till then, bye bye.